ADX. ADX is not bad. I think we could try ADX. ADX isn't bad. Look at ADX. It's 68. We can work with that. We can work with that. Let's go and see. And it's actually in pump mode. Let's go with ADX. Okay. Let's try that out. Okay. Yeah. Someone says we should check OGN. All right. We'll check OGN shortly. Let's just try this out with $50. Let's see. 236. Let's see. What's that giving us? It's not picking up everything. You don't expect to pick up everything, definitely. So let's just cut that out. Let's copy. And then let's go see where we're going to send it to. We can actually send it in the last 24 hours. It went to 2182. Let's go and check what that will give us. 2182. All right. 2182. Let's see what that's going to give us. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go with this, right? Let's go with this. This is a good one. Let's see. It looks like it's going to go up shortly. I think it's going down a bit, but I'm going to go with it. Looks good. Looks good, though. Yeah, let's hope that we're making a good choice. Let's really, really hope, okay? Now we'll check OGN shortly, okay? So we just got to do this with $50. That will just be 49.89. It's not going to pick up everything. Let's see. 49.89. 236. Let's go ahead and see whether we can do this. For what amount? Let's see. Let's go ahead and try. It looks like it's going to put us in the queue. It has already. Do I want to do this? I think I'm going to cancel. Okay, let's go and pick a higher price. Let's pick the higher price. Let's go before it goes against us, right? Let's quickly put 50 there. And then we'll see. Okay, let's go ahead. I think we bought it. Did we buy it? Yes, we did. Oh, did it go down again? We got it bought. How much did we buy it as? Let's find out. How much did we buy it as? I think it was 214 or 216. Let's see. I think we bought it at 2116. Okay. So now we're going to have to set our sell limit to the price that we got it as, right? Let's see. I think I'm going to do convert limit with this. It doesn't pick up everything. I'm going to do convert limit. Let's see. Let me see. I told you I'm going to go do convert limit. I'm getting in love with convert limit, right? So let's go do convert limit, because when you have a coin that has a lot of that's not that cheap and it has decimal points, you don't want it not to pick it up. So that's why we're going to go, because we bought it at how much and we have to sell back. We bought 49.93, and if you see now, it's actually even giving us 49.65, which is not good at all, right? So let's go to convert. So we're going to go to convert and put we're going to put what was that? What was it that we're doing? Let me go and see something before we continue. Let me check something. That's ADX. All right. Sorry about that. Let me go back. Okay. So I'm going to search for ADX. ADX. Where are you? ADX. Okay, great. So ADX, let's switch that out. Okay, ADX. And we're doing limit. Please don't forget. Oh, it has already changed. So we gotta change this to ADX. Okay, ADX. Good. So the convert limit price that we want to do is to take this to 2182. Let's see, 2182, and then let's put the entire. Let's take this like that, and let's put the entire thing there. So it will give us $1.44. Will it get to that point? Will it get to that point? I'm just being I'm being kind of adventurous here. This is almost like 3%. I know. All right, so let me change this to 80. Let me just change it to 80. I think I want to have some more skin in the game. Why not? If not, let's go. So 2180, right? So we're going to place it as place our order, and let's just wait for it. Okay, at least it will give us some good chunky amount. That's not bad. Okay, so the limit order has been placed with ADX. So let's hope and wait. I mean, I'm getting love to be in to see how ADX works. Okay, let's see how ADX will work with limit convert. Okay, ADX is currently at 1959, and we bought it how much? Look at it. Let's go to the trade history. We bought it at 2116. It's really gone down, right? So we just have to wait for it, okay? We just have to wait for it. We're sure it should be able to go up. Look at it, it's really on a downward trend. Let me check the 1 day chart. Is going down. You see, let's just take it as its own pullback season. It may take like a couple of days, 1, 2, 3 days, for it to like rearrange and retest and go back up again. You can see this is the 4 hour chart. It is also going down, right? So that's the same thing with the 1 hour chart. Okay, so we're just gonna have to give it time. 15 minutes is definitely the same. It looks like it's going up here, but we don't know what's happening in the next couple of minutes. But for now, I like to look at the 1 hour time frame, and it's still going down. Maybe there's going to be a switch soon, but for now, ADX is on the low and it's going down. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Wow, wow, wow. ADX has finally executed. This is serious. After almost 2 months, this is serious. Look at what happened to it. It's been going down all this while. Even when Bitcoin even pumped, it decided to just stay on one point. Look at it. It's just been going down. At one point, it went down, went down, went down. And then now it's like going up, it went down again. Just been very, very, how do I put it now? Like a roller coaster event. This has been the case of ADX. But I thank God we are out of this trade. This is a real case of patience. I was practically thinking of canceling this trade and coming out at a loss. But eventually, it gave us good profit. $1.39. That is not a small amount. That's over 2%. That's over 2%. We'll do the calculations. Let's just go into it and see what exactly happened, right? Let's see what exactly happened in the trade history, right? It gave us $1.39. So, and oh my God. It's such a long plot. I can't even find it. You spent $50 on this trade. And thank God, I had like a cent somewhere here, there. And we're coming out with $51.39. I had some change there before then. Let me go and see what exactly that is in calculation. What exactly is that in calculation? $1.39. Wow, that's like about, let's see, 50 times 2 point, 2.5. What's that? That's, no, it's not, it's more than 2.5. That's a 2.7, 2.8. Okay, that's a 2.79. Yeah, 2 point, what am I doing? 2.79, 2.79, 2.79, yeah, something in this range, guys. $1.39. Interesting. Wow. Thank God I didn't give up on this trade. I'm so glad I didn't give up on this trade. Wow. So it's time for us to send our profit out. Oh, yes, I'm just going to send out everything on top of the 50. That is awesome. That is awesome. Let's go ahead and do that, right? That will be spot and transfer, and then we'll change that to USDT, and then we'll do the max and send everything out apart from the 50. Wow, interesting. Can you just see that? Wow, this is good. This is beautiful. So ADX took a long while, yes, but eventually it came out successful, and I'm happy about that. This teaches us patience, right? Patience is key when we are trading. Anyways, we've learned our lesson. We've learned to be able to take trades more in a better condition, right? Doing more analysis and making sure that we get it right, closer to the answer as much as possible. So many trades have gone on even after this one that have quickly executed within minutes, within days, within hours, and this took weeks. But we thank God. All right, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for being here and also for being patient also. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.